Well, a lot of interesting things are added to this Krishna 2017. Hey, hi.
Hi.
So, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah.
Alright, can you please brief me about what all those promotions, sport promotions we have right now for this Krishna 2017?
Absolutely. My name is Abdullah and I'm part of Maverick, which is the official marketing and strategy club of our college.
Okay.
So we have this full promotion of the Hinaj Club, wherein every club will be assigned 2 poles and they'll be promoting their club and the event theme there. So our theme is Backfest, as you know,
Okay.
and it starts like this. We welcome you in hell, and inside hell you
This
have
is really interesting. Welcome to Hell.
welcome to hell.
Okay.
And you can see the beasts out there, the devils are there.
Yeah.
And inside you will see 2 things. On the right hand side you will see the bad thing, as in
Okay,
everything
can we
negative.
go inside?
Absolutely. Just come. I'll show you. Okay. Once you come inside, you will see 2 things. This part is the bad side. This is the negative thing. You can see, we did this. Inside each of us are 2 words. One is evil, one is good. So what our theme says is, as in everything, in every bad you find something good. So in here, this is the bad part of our lives, this is the good part of our lives. Right, you can see a grave is there, the bad fest. And here, we are killing everything that is bad. In that hand, we have rage, corruption, dowry and all things that plague our society in these days. Whatever you see, everything is made from scratch by the students. And all these things, the flexes, the boards, everything is hand painted. And this is drawn by pure chalk. This is drawn by chalk and paint.
So, can you please explain me this
Absolutely.
side?
On the right hand side, we have 2 things. On this yin yang, there are 2 wings. One is the devil and one is the angel. So it shows the combination of both good and bad. Along with that, we are promoting our events. This is our major event called CMO, which gives a cash prize of 50,000 for participants. We have Kill Corruption, which is our fun CSR, and we have Sinister, which is our minor event. Here in
What is this Maverick parking area?
Maverick Park, this shows that our Kill Corruption event is in parking lot, done by Maverick at 2:30 p.m. in 14 Chan. So this is a
This
compact
is for
thing.
everybody or only for Maverick?
This is only Maverick is doing. This pole is assigned to Maverick and we are doing these. You can see the wall hanging, the ceiling hanging is up there.
This is more interesting. Can you please brief about this? What is this donor card?
Donor card thing is we are showing that after that person has died, that person uses his organs to give birth or to help somebody who's in trouble. So something good came out of something bad. So we made a prop made of cotton and we call him, this is our man who's sitting here to promote. Right, he's constantly there. You can see this wall.
Is it Maverick man?
This is a Maverick man. You can tell this is a Maverick man.
Okay.
Along with that, we have the wall of events. These are all the major events that Maverick has done. We have Coke Studio, we brought Coke Studio. These are all the big case-based competitions and everything that Maverick has done till now.
So these all are the previous events that you have done.
Yes, these are all the events that we have conducted here.
What about this?
This we are just talking about revolution. We just portrayed one word, that is revolution, that is in our mind every single day, that every youth needs to follow. And one interesting I'll show you is once you look down.
Yeah, this is really interesting.
Yes, what this does is, the idea is, whenever somebody walks, just step on them. Step on everything that is negative in your life, in today's society.
I'm going to do it now.
Yes, just you can step on genocide
I'm
as
going to
well.
do it as
Yeah.
well. Over
You will
here
feel
as
the side,
well.
yes.
Yeah. It's really interesting.
That's the whole idea. And once you exit in peace. You exit towards heaven. You exit in peace. And once you come
These are
outside,
the angels over
yes,
here.
yes. The
So
world.
we are coming out of bad now.
Yes, you came out of bad and you came to good.
Yeah, that's really
That's the entire idea.
It's completely of Maverick.
Yes, this is done by man.
I'm heading towards the second club, which is going to talk about more. And this is Aina club. Yeah, you're from Aina.
And it's a social awareness club of highways and you are already know we are having breakfast and it's a pole market. We need to show the according to the theme on the same side we need to represent our fest, our club also.
So can we get in? One more interesting. Can you come down? And what about this exactly? These are 4 pictures.
The 4 pictures that are showing of the journey of life of a woman. The first, she's a small child, after she's a teenager, then she become a mother, and after she becomes old. So that's why you're showing the life journey of a woman.
These all are the same.
That on when empowerment we are showing some messages.
That's really interesting. These are and acha,
These are the
entire crowd is of yours. Well, we'll try to interact with few more. You all are from Aina. Yeah. What's the difference between Maverick and Aina?
Maverick is solely the marketing club. We are more of a social awareness, and we work with the NGO and for the people outside here for the goodwill of people, and making them aware of things they are not going on in the world.
Okay, it's really interesting about this Aina. They have put their full promotion. Can I say? So I would like to ask you guys, like, it's all about women issues you're taking out over here. So what made you to choose this kind of full promotion right here? As you know that Aina is a social awareness club for IBS Hyderabad, and we had a batch fest, so we thought of coming up with the issues which are currently going right now. So we took as well
As you know, recently there is a mass demonstration happened in Bangalore. So it's been all over Twitter and everybody is responding and saying things about it. So being the latest social awareness club, we have debated that as well over there so that people realize that whom we work with, we are also molesting them at the same time. So all these things we need to highlight with our club, with our so that is one of the uniqueness we have from all other clubs in IBS.
See, there are a lot of instances that happen when we see a Bengaluru incident that happened.
Yeah.
So you guys go out and do some events and all, like campaigning.
Yeah. We don't do on a mass level. We collide with other people. Like we went there for a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We clean the roads and everything, and we have a awareness run in the campus against street drugs and all. So these things we organize on a mass level so that people should be aware that these things can harm and what their responsibility towards society is.
Alright, that's very interesting. And top of it, say something about yourself. What are you? What's your name?
My name is Pala.
Acha, you're from the same Aina.
Yes, I am from Aina.
Acha, what all interesting things you guys do?
The most interesting part is when the whole team comes together and performs the event. And the best part is everybody puts their inputs. Like for this also, everybody was together. We worked day and night to pull up the event, as well as for the pole marketing. That's the best part, when everybody comes together, collides and share their idea and then work. That's the best part.
Alright, we have few more guys over here. So what's your name?
Ayush.
Ayush, so you're also involved in this?
Yes, I was involved in this.
So as a man, like what you would like to say to all the rest of the man? Like for example, we have seen Bengaluru incident, we have seen Delhi Nirbhaya incident. So as a man, what all you can tell to the rest of the men who are involved in these cases, like especially Nirbhaya instance and Bengaluru instance as well?
Yeah, actually, everybody was involved and everybody was giving equal efforts. Like we have tried to cover all the issues throughout our poster, and that's what our clubs actually do. We try to
So my question over here is, like, as a man, what you would like to say to all the offenders who are involved in such activities?
all of them means. As
Please
a man,
don't
I have
repeat
no,
it,
I
don't do it, something like
I have
this.
no words for that.
Already have no
I can
words.
answer this.
Seriously, yeah, you can.
If you want to talk about the men, like, be a man, okay? Let's not do all these things. So whatever you do is very shameless, and this is what we are representing here and through our club, that whatever you did over there from past so many years, stop it, because you are worshipping them at the same time and molesting them. It's not right. So you are killing your own culture. Thank you.
That's,
I need
absolutely
to share one more.
Go Mavericks, go Mavericks, aha, aha, aha. Go Mavericks, go Mavericks, aha, aha, aha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Well, that was Maverick T right here, who is very much actively taking part in this Vishnu 2017 with camera person Vinay Sunil Kadedi for CI English.